How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add an image in FreeCAD. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the FreeCAD dashboard right here. And it's extremely easy to do this. Just click on File, click Import, and then you want to look for the image that you want to import onto FreeCAD. So let's say that we want to import this Magneto Comics picture. Let's just click on Open, and then it will simply import it or add it onto our FreeCAD right here. Now you can change or edit the properties of this image by heading over to the Model tab. So just head over to View, click Toolbars, and then enable Model. So in my case, it's going to be inside the panel, and actually we have Model right here. Now you have the placements, the image file, the X file, and the Y file right here. And so that's basically how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.